Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 404 with the name Project Istafrat.id, whose member are Mimu Fasilin Haklianti as UI UX Design, Muhammad Afif Alfawas as a group leader, Ahmad Glam Zaki as a programmer, Amelia Hanif as a technical control and documentation, and the last is Einstein as a tester and quality control. As we know, awareness of driving safety, especially when driving motorized vehicles, is very minimal, which causes a very high accident rate. From very safety concern, there is one very important problem: riding a motorcycle without using a helmet. So we can see some news popping up about motorcycle accident, especially among our Polybottom students. Therefore, we are here to help the community in making a system that can be useful to make motorcyclists aware of the importance of driving safety using helmet.
We would like to introduce a solution that we have developed to address the higher number of traffic accidents, especially among students who do not wear helmet when riding. Our solution is a player recognition system specially designed to detect motorcycle who do not wear helmet. This system is built by combining IoT and artificial intelligence. And therefore, we develop a smart system that can detect this violation automatically. The camera reads the license plate. AI detect whether the rider is wearing a helmet, and the system immediately send a notification to officer. All data is neatly recorded on the dashboard, ready to be followed up. With the supervision becomes more efficient and the law can be enforced faster, and most importantly, safety can be better maintained. Okay, we have the walk by flowchart, and I will explain the flowchart. The process starts when a motorcycle rider passes the detection system. The camera automatically capture a frame in real time. The system check is there an object in this frame. If yes, the system use YOLO to detect whether the rider is wearing a helmet or no. And the next step is rider using a helmet. If yes, the process end here and no further action is taken. If no, the image will be cropped to focus on the rider's head and license plate. Then the computer capture the image and send a command to Raspberry Pi to active a buzzer as warning. After that, YOLO reads the license plate and all images and data are saved into one folder. This folder and then stores on the computer, and the data is sent to a web-based dashboard for real monitoring. And next.
To develop this project, we will use several hardware components and various interconnect software technologies. Regarding the hardware, we need several components: heatsink to cool the Raspberry Pi 4, camera to capture image, buzzer to alert when a helmetless rider is detected, Raspberry Pi 4 as an intermediary between the computer and the camera and buzzer, 5-volt power supply as the main power source, and micro SD card for storage on the Raspberry Pi. For the software, we need several technologies and library. Wi-Fi to provide network connectivity, used for downloading library, accessing web-based framework, and other needs. Flash Python as the backend on this project system, managing application logic, database, and data communication. OpenCV as the main library used for image and video processing. YOLO version 5 as the main AI used to detect helmetless rider and read their license plate. Next. For the device specification and operation, we use a Logitech C270 webcam and buzzer connected to a Raspberry Pi 4. The Raspberry Pi 4 itself is a Model B with 4 GB RAM and 5-volt USB-C power. The Raspberry Pi also has a micro SD card for storing the operating system and other files. The Raspberry Pi 4 is then connected to a computer using a LAN cable. The computer itself is used to run YOLO and other system program. Next. And the computer then connect to a MySQL database via the API, and forward the data to a local website. And for the website, it was built using a Bootstrap 5.3 and jQuery.
Next is we move to implementation. We start by training an AI model on RoboFlow to detect helmet. After good result, we build an IoT setup with a webcam to capture live video. And with AI and IoT, we created a simple but effective real-time helmet detection system. All of this is supported by our IoT hardware setup designed to ensure stable data transfer and device performance. When a violation is detected, the result, including the image and license plate, is instantly uploaded to the website dashboard for review. Officer can then take immediate action through the interface, and every case is logged in on the system. Next.
The slide show the result of tests done live on campus. Out of 7 tests, 6 were able to find role violation using picture, and 1 did not work because the motorcycle was not visible. Next. The slide show the contribution of each course to our project. Calculus help analyze object motion, AI detect helmetless riders and recognize distant palettes, software security and two-factor authentication and layers, software maintenance ensure perform and update, hardware programming allow for detect control of camera device and data collection, general English support technical communication and presentation, and monitoring IoT project development. It covers the lifecycle risks and progress tracking. Next. And this is our documentation while working on this project.
Okay, this is our presentation regarding the number plate recognition detection system for helmetless motorist detection with the project title SafeRide.id. Hopefully, this innovation is useful and can improve driving safety. We realize that this project still has room for develop, and we are very open to constructive input and suggestions. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.